Go ahead, bend over. See, he's having trouble. Yeah, it's hard. It's look at him. He's struggling. Okay, to get there, and the posture too. Okay, come on, come back up. But it hurts when you're there. You see how hard it is for him to come back up. Excellent. Good. Head's down. His head is too forward. Head forward, shoulders compress, collapse, sternum and ribs, diaphragm collapses, no good. Excellent. Boom. Oof. Bend over again, see how it feels. A lot of pain still, or?
No.
Never be afraid to get adjusted. First time for real adjustment.
Yeah.
That's awesome, brother.
Thank you.
Boom!